Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Muscle Shoals local and long-distance movers near me. The process of moving requires the right cheap Muscle Shoals moving company. 3 Movers is experienced, and we ensure that we incorporate intelligent technology to help with the safety of your goods. We have hired the best movers who ensure that your possessions are handled correctly and reach your final destination in pristine condition. Our company offers the following long-distance moving services. Packing services. We offer the best packing and unpacking services to ensure that your goods are not damaged throughout your move. Moving supplies. Our team offers general and special packing materials for all our clients. An on-time move. With us, you get a team that show up on time, ready to get to work on moving day. Upfront pricing. We offer all our clients an upfront price quote before starting the moving process. You get an accurate cost to fit into your budget. Licensed and insured. Our movers are licensed and insured, so you can trust us with your things throughout the entire moving process. Our team will make your relocation so much easier and faster. We know how to take the stress out of long-distance moving. Whether you're going 100 miles away or 2,000 miles away, we make the process simple. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Muscle Shoals moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.